Okay, so we did not go out and get solar eclipse glasses until the last minute. We finally thought of it. The solar eclipse is today, but I did Google some DIYs, and so what we're going to need is printing paper, scissors, pencil, something to poke a pinhole size hole, some tape,
Scotch
some
tape.
aluminum, and a cereal box. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So right now what we're doing is we're tracing the bottom of the cereal box onto the paper. Good job, Petrova. That's what Petrova did, and now we're going to cut that out. Okay, there's that. And you don't really need to put tape, but we're going to go ahead and put tape so that it stays in the box. We're going to put it on the edge over here on both sides. Put it way to the edge as much as you can. Okay, good job. Next, we're going to put this piece of paper down on the bottom of the cereal box. And I'll fix that in just a second. I need to let go of the camera. Okay, so I got it in there. Let me see if I can show you. So I've got it down on the bottom. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to close the cereal box. Can you close it for me, Petrova?
Yes.
Yep, click it closed. Yep. Push that thing in, push the tab in. Okay, and not the way, like that. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to cut this part out right here and this part out like that, and we're going to tape this, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, so this is what one side cut open looks like. Those are the little flaps I cut out. And then I'm going to do this one. Can you see me? Can you see it, Petrova?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going to cut this side out. I don't really want my face in it, just my hands. This side. Like that. And then this. Close the flap. Let me see if we can still close the flap like that. And we're going to tape that. Hold on, let me make this even. Not that it matters, but now we're going to tape that closed.
With some Scotch tape.
Like that. Okay. One more just for good measure.
Yep.
I'm going to go this way where the seam is.
Because this one's my box.
This is a small box. Okay, pause that for a second. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to leave one side open like that. The other side we're going to cover with tin foil on this side. And then we're going to poke a hole with this. Once the tin foil is on there, we're going to poke a little hole, and that's it. And then you're going to have so we have a window right there, see? And so if you, hold on, let me just see if I can do this and hold my camera at the same time. So if you look, see, this is where we'll be looking through. You see how it's lighting up the inside of the box because the window is behind us? Well, if we were to have the window / sun in front of us, see how dark the box still is? So that's why you're going to have the solar eclipse behind you, and look at how it's going to light up in there. So we're going to be looking through this hole. This will be covered with the little pinhole with the tin foil, and that's how we're going to see the solar eclipse, guys. I'll show you in just a second when I cover that other hole with the tin foil. Okay, so there we are. I taped the tin foil on there, and now where's my little pokey thingy?
Right here.
Okay, so now it says just to poke a hole right there. That's all you need, just one little poke. And we should, when the sun, you can't even see the hole. But that's all it's going to take. We're going to look inside of it later. Hold on. Uh-oh, it's out of focus. We're going to look inside of it later with the sun behind us, and we're going to be able to see it in there because of that little hole. So we'll test it out, but that is how you make a homemade solar eclipse viewing box. You can do this with a shoe box, any box pretty much. I'm going to try to make a smaller one so that Petrova can hold it even easier, but this is the smaller of the 2 cereal boxes that we had, but I'm going to see if I can make one even smaller. Yay! So that's how you would do it, Petrova. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Yay!